multiple times on a single charge, and do it all with the renewable energy harvested from the sun. Moving on to number 4, we have got Hikenture Camping Pillow. The Hikenture Camping Pillow is a game changer for minimalist adventurers. Weighing next to nothing and packing down to a fraction of its size, this pillow effortlessly fits into your backpack, leaving plenty of room for the essentials while adding a touch of luxury to your camping gear. Don't let its size fool you. This camping pillow punches above its weight in comfort. Crafted with a thoughtful ergonomic design, it cradles your head and neck, providing the support you need for a rejuvenating night's sleep. Say goodbye to restless nights and wake up ready to tackle the day's adventures. Moving on to number 3, we have kept Survival Axe. Meet the Survival Axe, your all-in-one tool